Showing the value of what you do when your business or career is in a service sector can be so difficult when the person you're talking to is looking for a straight line between the cost of your intangible service and a very measurable benefit to their bottom line. So, how do you go about measuring intangible services? Where do you start?
Right. So, no, it is tough, and it's a great question, and we are fortunate to have been working with this process for many, many years. So we've been in business for about 25 years, and we've had the opportunity to look at all types of different programs and projects and different types of businesses. And it really starts with why. Why are you doing what you're doing in the first place, and getting clarity around that why. So when we talk about intangibles, typically intangible outputs or intangible outcomes are those measures that we're not converting to money necessarily. They tend to be more subjective in nature than objective, whereas the more tangible, we can count those. And so to really look at those, we just have to get clear on, why are we doing it? So example in service sector, I don't know, let's think of a good example. Maybe you're just trying to appease your customers or deliver better customer value. Well, sometimes, that's hard to measure, because what is it? How do you know you need to do that? What is happening or not happening that needs to change that will give or offer up that greater customer value? And then what do you mean by customer value in the first place? So do you have complaints? Are you trying to increase the number of customers? Is it market share you're looking for? So it's really about defining what you mean.